Hello everyone, welcome back to ABL LMS. Hope all of you are doing great. So in the last class we have made one of the most beautiful virtual calculator GUI, right? So in this class we are going to I'm going to introduce one more new concepts of Kinter module, that is menus and submenus widgets. It is also one of the most important concepts of Kinter GUI, because whenever you are going to use any menus, like till now we have used Thony software, you have already seen there on the top there are some menus like file, edit, tool. Inside the menu there are some menus, right? That we are going to make today. Okay, so let's quickly jump to the software. So just open a new file. First, from Kinter import star, right? So I have access all the methods. I'll create one root. Okay, and first I'll do some basic configurations that we have already covered, right? So inside this geometry, let's pass the size of the your GUI window. Let's select the title by calling the method title, and here I write the title name, menus and submenus, right? And then let's configure root.configure. This you can use to select the background color, right? And here let's pass the background color of cyan, or let's take some another color, right? Yellow. After this, and then you need to write down root.main. First, let's check this one, either it's working or not. Yeah, everything is created. You can see our background color has changed and the title has changed, right? So let's start with the main concept, that is, first we need to create a menu, and then inside that menu I'll create some menus, right? So let's see. So first, let's suppose I'm giving the name of this menu is main menu, and whenever you want to create a menu, you need to call this visit menu. So where I want to make this menu? On the root, inside the root. Okay, now inside this main menu, I will create two more menu, that is M1. Let's see how. You can see here file, edit, view, run. These are the menus, right? So these menus are kept inside the some main menus. Okay, so that what I'm doing. Here M1 equal to, again I'll call this menu, and I want to create this M1 main inside the main menu. Right? Right. Inside this main menu, you can see, let's suppose these whole are your menus, right? Inside this menu I want to create m1, m2, m3. What I'm doing, right? M1, again I'll do one more thing, m2 equal to, again I'll call this menu, and this also I want to make the main menu, right? After this you need to configure first, right? Like main, here you need to do one more thing. One second. Okay, yes, you need to do root dot configure. I'll also configure here what, here I'll tell the root like our menu is the main menu. So here I'm telling this GUI that what will be our menu? This main menu. This will be our main menu, right? So that you need to configure inside the root. After this, I'll write root main menu dot add underscore cascade. It means I'm going to add both these m1 m2 menu inside this main menu. For that you need to write down add cascade, right? And here first I'll take m1, and then I'll do for second one is main menu dot add underscore cascade, and here I'll take m2, right? So let's see if I run this one. Okay, sorry, one more thing. Inside this add cascade, you need to pass one more thing, that is what will be the text. So first, as you can see here, these text you need to put these level file edit, right? Or you can say label. You can take, I think this will be text or label. Let me check. So I think this will be, yeah, this will be label, right? So here I'll take, first remove this one. I'll take label equal to, first level I want to put file, and then menu will be m1. Same I'll do here also. Next level I want to take edit, and this will be menu equal to m2, right? Now let's see if I run this. Yeah, you can see over here two menus have created, file and edit, right? But you can see if I click on file, nothing is there. If I click on edit, nothing is there, because till now we have only created menus, right? We have not created sub menus. Okay, so see, before I switch to the sub menus, first let me explain you one more time what I have did till now. First, I have created main menu with the help of menu widgets, right? Okay, and inside this main menu, I have created two more menu, M1 and M2. This is user defined. You can give any name over here. After this, you need to configure. You need to tell the root, right? What will be your menu? So here, I have selected this main menu will be my menu, right? And then inside this main menu, I want to add two menus. One is the file and second one is the edit. It's up to you. Like suppose if you want to edit some more, you can create like Control C, and then here you can pass file, edit, or you can see there will be a tools, right? But if I run this one, okay, you can see tools is also created, right? Okay, for this you need to create, see, right now it is in M2, okay? I'll explain you. If you put both the menus same, what will happen, right? First, let me add some sub menus inside this M1 and M2. So how we can add sub menus? So I'll write M1 dot add command, sorry, add command. Inside this, you need to write down the label. So first, let's put the label equal to. So inside this file, first file will be new file, right? And same like you need to do m1 dot add underscore cascade, and second one will be here I'm keeping it file equal to, sorry, label equal to, let's suppose open file, open file. Let's see if I run here. If I click on file, you can see two options are there: file, new file, and open file. If I click on new file, nothing is there, right? Okay. So same, let's suppose if again if I run this one, now see, if I click on file, both are there. If I click on edit, nothing is there, because till now we have added only in the M1 menus, right? Now let's add something in M2 also, right? So this is our M2. If I click M2 dot add command, and then here also let's put some label equal to, here I'm taking in edit, there will be like you can see if I click on edit, there will be some cut, copy, paste. So here I'm taking three. There will be cut, again m2 dot add command, and here I'm putting label equal to, let's suppose cut, copy. Third I'm taking m2 dot add underscore command, and this I'm keeping label equal to paste, sorry, label equal to paste. Now let's see if I click on run. If I go to tools, you can see there is three options: cut, copy, paste. But you can see if I click on tools, again I can see these three options in tool, edit, and tool. Why? Because you can see when I created like these menus, tools menu, I have kept the same name M2. So whatever I'll edit in M2, that will be added in these tools as well, right? So you can do one thing, you can create M3. For that you need to create M3 over here also. So I'll just create one more. I'll just create one more M3 equal to, again I'll call menu, and this I want to create inside the main menu. Right now, see if I run this. Now if I click on tools, nothing is there, right? One more thing, if you see, if I click, there is, you can see there is dotted line. If you click on dotted line, you can see it's teared off. You can see, you can this sub menu, sub like window is pop up somewhere, right? So let's see how we can remove this one. So wherever you have created this menu like m1, m2, just simply do one thing, write down tear off equal to, and you can make it 0. Now let's see if I run this one, and if I go to file, now you can see there is no tear off in file, but in edit or tools it is there. So I'll do in both m2 also, tear off equal to 0. Same I'll do in m3, comma, tear off equal to 0. Now if I run this one, okay, you can see if I click on file, no dotted line is there in edit also, in tools also, right? So whenever you want to remove this one, just pass tear off equal to 0 where you have created your menus, right? Now one more thing, if I click on this file menu of my like Thoni software, you can see there are some line also. This line is called the separator, right? Let's suppose after copy I want to add separator, so I'll write m2 dot add underscore separator, right? And now let's see if I run this one. If I go to the edit, you can see cut, after cut copy there is a separator, right? So this line is called the separator. So whenever you want to create separator after any of the submenus, you can keep this line add separator after this, right? Hope all of you understood about how we can create menus and submenus, how we can add separator, how we can add different functions. And now one more thing, you can see inside this file, if I click on new file, you know, like new file will be open, because this happened due to some command. Till now we have just created menus and submenus, right? Let's suppose here, let's suppose create one functions def, and I'm giving the name of this function is display, and here I want to write down print hello, right? And I'll just call these functions here whenever anyone click on this new file, and here let's suppose I'll pass command equal to, and I'll just call that functions display. Let's see what will happen if I run. Okay, if I click new file, okay, so here you can see it's printed hello. If I again do click on new file, you can see hello is printed file, new file, right? So I want to open a new file, like if someone open with this new file, right? So that part will cover in the next classes, right? In this sessions we have just finished like what is menus, what is submenus, how we can add some menus inside a menu. Hope all of you understood each and everything, right? So I'll see you in the next class. Bye everyone.